guys, Colonel Mini here. This series of video tutorials is designed for the brand new player to IL-2's Battle of Stalingrad. It's a very realistic and complex flight sim, and there's a lot to learn to get good at it. And to help you get there faster, check out my channel. I have over 100 tutorials to help guide your progress to excellence. This is mission 11 of the Lightning Strikes campaigns. Today's mission is to destroy the fortified town just over the front lines by that very familiar lake we know. What makes this one unique is that we are using napalm bombs, which need to have their timer set to go on impact with 0 seconds. Now, we haven't done that before. 090 to the target, and egress is 249. Solid cloud at 4,000, wind from the west, and probably some precipitation to mess with our vision. Fuel is going to be 770 liters. It says we've got 2 bombs. We're going to take additional racks and take the 500s, 6 500s as they want. And now the timing of the bombs is usually set to 5 seconds. They want us to set it to on contact. Up till now, our style of bombing has been to drop the bombs at very low altitude because we've got 5 seconds to fly away from them before the detonators go up. With these set to go off on contact, it's a very tricky proposition. Napalm is a petroleum-based jelly which is extremely flammable. It was first used against the Germans in February of 1944 and was used greatly thereafter in the firebombings of Dresden and Berlin. It really is nasty stuff. We're looking for a change of heading here over the town of Eupen, from 070 to 090 to the target. And there's the town down there. The leader should be making a turn any second now. So here's that cultivated area coming up just to the west of the lakes. Should see that lake any second. Oh, there it is, just there. And there's the town. All right, down they go.
Target destroyed.
I've got 2 bombs gone. 4 more here.
Copy. Patrol for ground targets on your own. Out. Woodbine, 3. Unwounded.
There's flak up. Alright, I'm RTB here. Get some damage. 249. Okay, damage assessment. Few holes in the right wing. Losing fuel from the left wing. Okay, power up. Time on, 15 minutes. You'll notice my aircraft was jerking around all over the place. I'm having some issues with my joystick. It doesn't want to behave itself, and it doesn't want to stay in autopilot. So that's affected my ability to. So much for air superiority. Do you remember me saying it was a very realistic and complex flight sim and there was a lot to learn? Haha, thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you on mission 12. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, found it helpful, please like it or subscribe. Or if there's another topic you'd like me to cover, please leave a comment.